This is going to be a reading for all signs collective, almost personal reading, all that I need to know about your person moving forward. This is going to like relate with people who are kind of in a separation or not on a good terms with your person. Okay, this won't resonate with people who are in good terms or communicating daily and have a lovey-dovey connection. Okay, so yeah, so for soulmate twin flame moving forward, let's take three cards for you first. So what is happening with you for the next 72 hours? Let's see. Okay, with Nine of Wands, I see you resisting a lot, holding back a lot. Reason being, you feel your person, whosoever you are thinking about or connected with, has taken you for granted. They have put you through so much, and you are no longer wanting to go through it all over again. You feel drained, you feel depleted, some of you even feel used, and you no longer are wanting to give in to the connection. Yes, you may have not completely given up, but I do not see you being or like wanting to be a part of it on a very emotional level. You guys are holding back a lot. Okay, and yes, and some of you might also be in that self-pity energy where you feel bad about your own self. But see, whatever has happened. You can't do shit about it. All that you could do is just let go of it and just start fresh in your life. Okay, one more card. What else do we see happening? With King of Cups, even though you still have feelings for them, even though you still have this weird energetic connection with them, you still are wanting to cut that off. You are no longer wanting to feel that. Okay, deep down with Ace of Wands in the reverse, you this person could have come back in your life or given you that false start of fake promise, or made you believe like they're coming back for real, and that did not go well, or that did not go forward. Okay, with Ace of Wands in the reverse, this person has not been putting in serious efforts, like something that could really fix the connection. They are rather love bombing you or giving you like false ideas. Okay, altogether. One more card. What else do we see happening? With Five of Wands, you're very conflicted. Some of you guys might also be upset with your person for all that they have put you through. Okay, like bottom card, yes, you did have a strong urge to talk to them in the recent past, but right now I do not see you wanting to talk to them. You're rather wanting to cross question them about something that they have made you go through. Okay, some of you might be wanting to cross question about a third party that they involved out of nowhere. You feel conflicted, you feel depleted, you feel taken for granted. Okay, and with Five of Wands, you're a bit upset as well. Okay, in terms of how do you view the connection? With Page of Wands, how do you view the connection? I do feel that you feel if this person communicates, if they reach out and they make serious efforts towards this connection, then you might be open towards compromising and fixing things with them. But if they do not communicate, things remain just the way they are. Okay, one more card. In terms of your energy towards this connection, in terms of your energy, we have justice in the reverse. So right now, from your end, you're not wanting to fix things. You're not wanting to balance things. You're not wanting to go out of the way to fix things with this person. Neither are you gonna be the first person to initiate any sort of conversation. In the recent past, yes, you could have been stalking them or keeping a watch on them, but there's no harm in stalking someone. You just want to know what this person is about. You don't want to waste your time. So if you find out this person is with a third person, you just fucking walk away, right? There's no harm in accepting the fact that like you've been stalking or keeping a watch. Okay, moving forward, in terms of your person, what are they going through? Okay, with Three of Swords, for many of you, this person could have put you through a third party. Okay, right now they could be dealing with more than one individual. That is the reason why things are not so easy in your life. With the Death card, they are going through an ending. This could be regarding a third party, doesn't have to be, but could be. But yes, they are going through a transition, changes. I believe they are wanting to end the third party. I do not know if you're the third party or the other person is the third party, but they are wanting to end the third party. Okay, bottom card we have is Seven of Swords. So in the past as well, this person was never honest. They were very in and out. Like very wishy washy. Never really gave you any sort of idea as to what you were a part of. Whether this would even move towards something long term. Nothing. Okay. One more card. Some of you guys were dealing with a player, a narcissist. Okay. One more card. In terms of how they're thinking about you now. With the moon card, they do miss you, but they are not letting you know about it. Like they do have feelings for you, but they are not acting on it. Okay. In terms of how they're thinking, they do think of you at night sometimes. Um, when they are deeply connected with their heart, they do think of you, they do miss you. Okay, in the recent past this person could have ghosted you or forced you away or pushed you away, but right now in terms of energy and how they're thinking, they do think of you a lot. Okay, but moon card is not a card of taking action. In terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you now? With the fool card, they do wish to take this leap of faith towards you. Even I wish to be doing something or wanting to go somewhere, but we have to even act on it, right? So they do wish of coming forward, but they have to act on it. In the recent past as well, in terms of their feelings, they were missing you a lot. Okay, with Six of Cups, they were missing you a lot. With the Fool card, they do want to move forward with you in terms of this connection, but let's see where things go. Okay, one card for their feelings. Like, what do they truly have in their heart space? With the Six of Wands, in their heart space, this person still wants your attention. Regardless if you care for them or don't care for them, this person is still wanting your attention. Regardless if you are willing to be a part of it or not willing to be a part of it, I still see them very much wanting to keep, being a part of this connection. Okay, give me a sec. Okay. In terms of their headspace, what is happening? In terms of their headspace, what do we see happening? In terms of their headspace as well, they do want to manifest this connection with you. Okay, they miss you to a point where they are very much wanting to work things out with you. But when this will happen, I can't guarantee you. But in terms of their energy, yes, they are wanting this. Okay, in the recent past, in terms of their headspace, they were wanting to kill it. Like when I say recent past, it could mean for selected few of you couple of weeks back. For some of you, it might be couple of months back. But if your person has been keeping you waiting for a year and more, then darling, it's time to walk away, it's time to move on. Okay, or get a personal reading. Whatever you choose, whatever is easier for you, to be honest. One card for their honest intentions towards you now. What are their honest intentions towards you? Yeah, with the Empress card, they definitely want to move things forward with you. They want to definitely build things with you. In the recent past, in terms of their intention, they were wanting to ghost you, stay away, maintain distance. Okay, but right now, I see them wanting to build on it, wanting to move things forward. So yes, having good intention, having positive intention. In terms of action, what are they wanting to like how are they wanting to come forward towards you now? In terms of action, how are they wanting to act on it? Yeah, in terms of action as well, with Knight of Cups, they do want to move forward. Some of you, this person might also want to apologize for whatever they've put you through. Selected few, need not all of you might get an apology, but yes, in terms of that, I do see them wanting to open up emotionally as well. Okay, one card for what can you expect from this person now? What can you truly expect from this person now? With Eight of Swords, the problem with the person is that they are too stuck in their mind, okay, with the thoughts, their negative thinking patterns. This could not be physical, but this could be mental. Like, they have burdened themselves by thinking negatively about the situation. Like, I won't be able to, or I don't know if it's even going to happen, that kind of shit, okay. One card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? With Four of Cups, they do know that you feel rejected, that you feel, like completely nothing. A reason being they have not taken you, like taken your offer. They do know that you have been sitting there upset, sad, depressed. Reason being they did not take you seriously in the past. Okay, bottom card with Eight of Pentacles, in the past they saw you as someone who wanted to make things work with them, but right now they look at you as someone who's upset and someone who may not be ready to talk to them or even listen them out in terms of working things out in this connection. Okay, one more card. How do they view the connection they share with you? With Nine of Swords, they know that this connection has not been easy. Okay, even I know it's not been easy, but it's been full of ups and downs, a lot of stress involved. I mean, a lot of sleepless nights involved. You guys do not know where it's going, to be honest. Even if there's feelings, intention of working things out, intention of building on it, but to be honest, practically you do not know where it's going. Okay. Right now, what's the overall energy, Spirit? Right now, what's the overall energy? Overall energy is the Hierophant card, so you have to listen to your higher power. You have to stay connected to your intuition, to whatever you believe in, God, superpower, universe, Sai Vadka, whatever. Okay, so yes, no card. Overall energy, I do believe that right now you both want to be a part of a connection that could lead somewhere. Okay, so in the past you guys were trying to walk away, move on, or stay separated from anything that is causing you problems or stress in your life. But right now I see your energy being wanting to be a part of something that could lead somewhere positive, like long term. One more card. Where is this going for now? Where do we see this connection going for now? With Knight of Pentacles, it's going to be a slow run, but I do see it moving forward. What's important is it's moving forward. It's not going to remain stagnant, but it's going to go very, very slow. Okay, what do they want from you now? What do they truly want from you? With the Eight of Pentacles, they do want you to stay open to working things out with them. Okay, so let's see what else should you be knowing about this connection. Soulmate, your person, so they know that this is your soulmate. I mean that this you are their soulmate, and this is a soulmate connection, that you are their person. They know it, they feel it. Okay, in the past they were looking elsewhere options, so they were all sometimes someone can be always hungry, like always hungry for more attention. Oh my god, this one, oh my god, that one. So always open like that, and someone who's in that sort of energy where they want to be a part of a better connection, better than this one, better than the last one, they'll never settle down, they'll keep looking for better, right? One more card. What can you expect moving forward? Right now we have two cards. Okay, we have a foolish, not mature, not there yet. Just like I told you, they haven't completely matured up, they haven't completely changed. Issues, anger, and past drama. So issues, anger, past drama, and their foolishness could very much still get in the way. Okay, they are not mature, to be honest. Okay, so the commitment might kind of get sabotaged if they let their ego or their foolishness get in the way. Okay, so this is all I have for you for almost personal readings for the next 72 hours. All those who could connect with this reading, it's a general reading, but if it resonated, kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section. Watch your fellow sign reading. Okay, and thank you for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. All those who want a personal reading, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. If you are a Libra and you are in separation, I've also done a Libra extended. It's up on Etsy for the month of April, from now until the end of the month. So kindly purchase that if you're interested in watching or wanting to know more about your situation. Thank you so much for coming in. I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.